How to use Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass on Roku TV. So you cannot directly connect an Xfinity Wi-Fi Pass to the Roku TV. The Xfinity Wi-Fi Pass allows access to Xfinity hotspots, which is what we're gonna do today. So first, press home on your Roku remote. Then go to Settings, Network, and then select Setup Connection. Then choose Wireless, and then wait for the Wi-Fi list. Then find Xfinity Wi-Fi and select it. Now don't expect a Wi-Fi password box. Instead, you will get these two options. I am at a hotel or college dorm, and I am home. Make sure you choose I'm at a hotel. You aren't claiming you're literally in a hotel. Roku uses this mode for public Wi-Fi networks that require a browser-based login. The Roku's official documentation explicitly says to use this option when the network requires signing in through a browser. And then Roku will tell you what to do next. Roku says the remaining authentication instructions appear on the TV, and you just complete them using a phone or computer with a web browser. You're gonna have to take your phone and open the browser and follow the instructions that Roku displays on the TV. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.